overhead press. You're going to be holding with the kettlebell on top of the forearm and then the handles around your hands. And then you're overhead pressing. So think about holding those kettlebells in a rack position. And then you're going to sort of bring your elbows out, open up your chest, bring those shoulders down and back. Think proud chest and squeeze the scapula or the shoulder blades in the back together. As you do that, that creates a strong, stable surface. If you need to, you can bend the knees a little bit, bend the hips a little bit, engage the abs. You want a strong vertical core and a strong, stable lower body as you then press those kettlebells up overhead. You're going to press fully extended and then come all the way back down to that rack position.